felt they already have the documentation for pre-qualification.
Now, these suppliers, it says over here they did not submit the mandatory documents such as GRA. Have you now submitted these?
Ghana electronic procurement system.
Okay, so you've corrected this anomaly.
Yes.
Please.
Yes, Honorable Chair, verification indicates that these suppliers are now on GANEF and they are dealing with suppliers that are listed on the procurement electronic system.
All right, go and sin no more on this one. Water Resources Commission, you are discharged. And
Thank you.
Honorable Minister, you are discharged also. I'm sorry, community water. Yes. Under the ministry. 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 I'm sorry, please introduce.
Acting Chief Executive.
Director of Finance.
I'm sorry, community water. Yes. Under the ministry. I'm sorry, please introduce.
Acting Chief Executive.
Director of Finance.
I'm sorry, community water. Yes. Under the ministry. I'm sorry, please introduce.
Acting Chief Executive.
Director of Finance.
I'm sorry, community water. Yes. Under the ministry. I'm sorry, please introduce.
Acting Chief Executive.
Director of Finance.
I'm sorry, community water.
Community water.
Yes. under the ministry. I'm sorry. Please, there was an issue about community water, whether they're on Monday.
Works and housing.
It's under works and housing.
Yes. So there are issues
I'm sorry. Community water. Community water. Yes.
in the MDA's report, the water systems.
I'm sorry. Please, there was an issue about community water, whether they're on Monday. Ashanti region,
Works and housing.
where we have the is under works and
Water
housing.
systems.
Is that under you?
So there are issues.
I'm sorry. Community water. Community water. Yes.
in the MDA's
And what is it?
report,
Who is it under?
the water systems.
I'm sorry. Please, there was an issue about community water, whether they're on Monday.
Look at
Ashanti region,
Works and housing.
where we have the is under works and
Water
housing.
systems.
Is that under you?
So there are issues.
I'm sorry. Community water. Community water. Yes.
in the
Madam Chair, I think
MDA's
And what is it?
report,
Who is it under?
the water systems.
I'm sorry. Please, there was an issue about community
there's
water,
a
whether
high
they're
time we make
on
sure
Monday.
that at least we bring off. Otherwise, monitoring and tracking.
Ashanti region,
Works and housing.
where we have the
Very
is under
good
works
water
and
system.
housing.
Very, very.
Is that under you?
So there are issues.
I'm sorry. Community water. Community water. Yes.
in the
difficult. Madam Chair, I think.
MDA's
And what is it?
report,
So the
is it
few that
under?
are
the water
still.
systems.
I'm sorry. Please, there was an issue about community
There's
water,
a
whether
high
they're
time we make
on
sure that
Monday.
at least we bring off. Otherwise, monitoring and tracking.
Ashanti region,
Works and housing.
where we have the
Very
is under
good
works
water
and
system.
housing.
Very, very.
Is that under you? Just a minute. We'll resolve that. Community water. Community water. Yes. Water.
in the
difficult. Madam Chair, I think.
MDA's
And what is it?
report,
So the
is
few
it
that
under?
are
the water
still.
systems.
I'm sorry. Please, there was an issue about community
There's
water,
a
whether
high
they're
time we make
on
sure
Monday.
that at least we bring off. Otherwise, monitoring and tracking.
Ashanti region,
Works and housing.
where we have the
Very
is under
good
works
water
and housing.
system. Very,
We'll
very
just
good.
just a minute. We'll resolve that. Community water. Community water. Yes. Water.
in the
difficult. Madam Chair, I think.
And what is it?
So the
is
few
it
that
under?
are
water
still.
systems.
I'm sorry. Please, there was an issue about community
There's
water,
a
whether
high
they're
time we make
on
sure
Monday.
that at least we bring off. Otherwise, monitoring and tracking.
Ashanti region,
Works and housing.
where we have the
Very
is under
good
works
water
and housing.
system. Very,
We'll
very
just
good.
just a minute. We'll resolve that. Community water. Community water. Yes. Water.
in the
difficult. Madam Chair, I think.
And what is it?
So the
is
few
it
that
under?
are
water
still.
systems.
I'm sorry. Please, there was an issue about community
There's
water,
a
whether
high
they're
time we make
on
sure
Monday.
that at least we bring off. Otherwise, monitoring and tracking.
Ashanti region,
Works and housing.
where we have the
Very
is under
good
works
water
and housing.
system. Very,
We'll
very
just
good.
just a minute. We'll resolve that. Community water. Community water.
Friday, the day is finally
What's
here. It's Live's Halloween show.
Madam
It's
Chair, I think
trending.
And what is it?
We have trends.
We have tricks.
What was that?
And we have treats.
Please, there was an issue about
The biggest trends of 2025 with Hamilton's Leslie Odom Jr. Superstar surprise
Ashanti
cameos.
region,
Over 50 costume changes.
just
And
a
our
minute.
annual audience costume
Community
contest.
water.
It's trending.
Community water.
Friday, the day is finally here. It's Live's Halloween show.
Bike dealer you
It's
trust?
trending.
And what is it?
We have
I'm Steve, and I'm a
We have
showcase.
tricks.
What was that?
I have tested many brands of e-bikes, repaired countless of
The biggest
Velotrip
trends of
is the best
2025
ride I've
with
had yet.
Hamilton's
And if
Leslie
it
Odom
wasn't
Jr.
branded, it probably
Superstar
wouldn't be
surprise
branded.
cameos.
Quality's never changed.
Over 50 costume
Actually,
changes.
they're paint jobs.
And our annual audience costume
Velotrip
contest.
definitely acts on customer feedback. So how do I define myself? So first of all, I'm a father of four. I'm an engineer at heart. Bike dealer you trust?
And what is it?
I'm Steve, and I'm a showcase. I have tested many brands of e-bikes, repaired countless of
The
e-bikes.
biggest
Velotrip
trends of
is the best
2025
ride I've
with
had yet.
Hamilton's
And if
Leslie
it
Odom
wasn't
Jr.
branded, it probably
Superstar surprise cameos.
quality's never changed.
Over 50 costume
Actually, they're paint
changes.
jobs.
And our annual audience
Velotrip
costume
definitely
contest.
acts on customer feedback. So how do I define myself? So first of all, I'm a father of four. I'm an engineer at heart. Bike dealer you trust?
And what is it?
I'm Steve, and I'm a showcase. I have tested many brands of e-bikes, repaired countless of
The
e-bikes.
biggest
Velotrip
trends of
is the best
2025
ride I've
with
had yet.
Hamilton's
And if
Leslie
it
Odom
wasn't
Jr.
branded, it probably
Superstar surprise cameos.
quality's never changed.
50 costume
Actually, they're
changes.
paint jobs.
Our annual audience
Bellatrix
costume
definitely
contest.
acts on customer feedback. So how do I define myself? So first of all, I'm a father of 4. I'm an engineer at heart.
Dealer you trust?
Also, I'm Steve. I'm a showcase. I have tested many brands of e-bikes, repaired power
The biggest winners in 2025 with Hamilton's Leslie Owens Jr. Superstar Shoe Rise Champion. Over 50 costume
Actually, they're paint
changes.
jobs.
Our annual audience
Bellatrix
costume
definitely
contest.
acts on customer feedback. So how do I define myself? So first of all, I'm a father of 4. I'm an engineer at heart.
Dealer you trust?
Also, I'm Steve. I'm a
How much
showcase.
of this?
I have tested many brands of e-bikes, repaired power.
The biggest winners in 2025 with Hamilton's Leslie Owens Jr. Superstar Shoe Rise Champion. Over 50
About 60% is for the instant.
40% is on domestic.
Yes, sir.
And the institutions we are waiting on the government. Amen.
Exactly.
Sir,
So good.
this is unlike areas where it is specific. What government gives to you, you can use a part of it to defray the cost. So it's not like government will give you money specifically to pay this, but government makes budgetary allocations. And you have that opportunity to use some to defray the cost. Or that is not the case.
Have the payment made to us.
Doesn't government, you said government pays on their behalf, didn't you? Just say that.
Exactly, but this done.
Oh, but the institutions also receive their budgetary allocations. And for goods and services and some of these things, they consistently, every ministry, department, and agency that appears before Parliament for their budgets, there's a portion for goods and services. And the goods and services are supposed to be used to pay for utilities as well. So to sit here and say we are waiting for government to bring money, this is not like scholarship secretariat where it is specific. So once they receive their budgetary allocations, they are supposed to use, go after them because services, and they are supposed to use some to pay for these things.
Chairman, uncollected fees of 70,000.
Honorable Chair, it is fully recovered.
Auditors, could you confirm? Please. All right. What about community water and sanitation at Wale Wale? That is under you also, right? An unrecovered debt of 342,000. What has happened to this amount?
Honorable Chair, the water systems, Ghana cities, 33 pesos.
Now, what about the rest of it?
It is the same issue of the schools that we supply water to. So we normally have to wait through the free. Secretariat to make payment.
You don't have any households in here? But Free SHS just made a huge amount. I sent a lot of money to the schools. So, as of December 2024,
Yes, sir. Yes, Honorable Chair.
Master Koju Ushiko. It says 58 institutions and individuals owe the agency a total of this amount. Management stated that they would develop the necessary strategies to collect all monies owed by customers in due course. What about Savalugu? They also owe 95,956.
Honorable Chair, Savalugu is not under the management of Community Water and Sanitation Agency.
Hey. So who is it under? Okay, Chief Director wants.
Honorable Chair, I want to get this clarification. We have over 1,000, almost 1,000 of them are under the District Assembly's management. We only have 198 that is being managed by the Community Water and Sanitation. So, under the new reforms, when it is done, then the CEDO, because now there's a confusion, so we are going through a process.
When the auditors come up on this, so that Community Water will take over the system, is that under you?
Honorable Chair,
6,000.
Honorable Chair, as at December 2024, an amount of 98,040 cedis has been recovered.
Auditors, could you confirm this amount, please?
Yes, Honorable Chair, an amount of 98,040 cedis has been recovered.
And I'm sure the story is the same.
Honorable Chair.
Okay, what about Goss Water System? Is that under you?
207,000.
Oh, you've done very well on that one. Great. What about Kukum Water System?
Honorable Chair, Kukum Water Systems has been able to recover an amount of 42,123 cedis, 60 pesos.
What about the rest of it?
A payment plan schedule has been outlined for the collection of the outstanding receivables.
Okay, now what about Sankore Community Water and Sanitation, 1,745 Ghana cedis?
On 62%.
Inspired by a true story.
My name's Sarah.
You can call me Bert.
A girl's ambition.
I got a roll on my land.
It's a sign. I believe in signs.
A corporation's greed.
I don't trust anything he say. He had eyes like a sneaky pig.
Experience an inspiring story
They might have the money, but we have the dignity.
for the whole family.
I'll give you $20 an acre.
I ain't selling.
An 11-year-old girl booted you out of here. That must be so embarrassing.
Sarah's Oil. Rated PG. Only in theaters November 7th.
A peace plan for Gaza. For the plan to advance, Hamas must disarm. Instead,
Tonight, terrifying images emerging from Gaza. Videos show
The DC assemblies and the community to manage. Over time, system left to rot became the order. And so in 2017, they began the process of taking over the system money to electricity company and even the management themselves, including some of the chiefs, were just squandering the money, leaving the assets to rot. So currently, like the chief director said, water system. That's the only way we can enforce these infringements. We hope that
We will also support you.
yeah, we hope that when it comes to Parliament, you will help us to get
Yes,
it
we will also
done
put
quickly.
it in our reports and draw Parliament's attention to it whilst we wait for the law to also come in. But it is very important that you take over and manage it efficiently, not just with the revenue collections, but also with the protection of the assets as well. Thank you.
So the domestic, those customers, 683 of them, they owe 384,000. Institutions have, there are 9 of them that owe 15,000. And commercial is 5 that owe 6,000. And if you recovered 80-something thousand. Now, was that from the domestic people or from? Most of it must be from the domestic people.
Honorable Chair,
Okay.
you are right.
So Chief Executive, I will wait, and the Chief, okay, Honorable, any other
Many thanks to those who attended upon Ministry of Works, Housing and Water Resources. We are grateful to you for attending upon us. We thank our auditors, our media people, and our members. Tomorrow we will look at Ministry of Justice and Attorney General's Department. Under that, we have the Copyright Office, the Legal Aid Commission, the Office of the Registrar of Camp. Then we also have Ministry of Environment, Science and Technology. Under that, we have the CSIRs and other public institutions. And then we have the extra-ministerial agencies, the PPA, PURC, and the Environment Ministry, because the same minister takes care of the Environment Ministry, and then we can attend upon them on the issues that had been raised in the reports that we couldn't meet with them yesterday. So on this note, we'd like to bring today's meeting to an end, and thank you all for coming.